Hi, I'm with Dave Ridd from St. Albert Source for Sports. We're going to talk very briefly on how you properly fit a hockey glove and what you, the consumer, are looking for when you come into one of our Source for Sports stores to purchase a glove. So I guess first things first, we'll talk about maybe a less expensive glove versus a high-end glove and kind of what the key differences are in those things.
Sure. Your mid to higher end gloves are going to offer, most of them will offer plastic inserts in them. So the plastic inserts obviously give more protection to slashes, and also that glove will offer more protection over time because as the foam breaks down, you still have the plastic in the glove. Your lesser priced gloves won't have that.
Okay, perfect. And then, we've got, you see a lot of guys these days wearing the shorter cuff gloves, real loose in the wrist, as opposed to back in the day with Gretzky and the boys wearing them up almost to the elbow. Is there something we should be looking for here in particular?
Well, that's like somewhat you mentioned, a personal preference when you're fitting a person that's obviously done growing. So guys with a shorter glove will give you more feel, more easier stick handleability, but you are opening yourself up for a slash. Well, some of your defensemen might wear a bit longer glove because they tend to get hacked or slashed a little bit more.
And the overall material of the glove, whether it be the palm or the overall shell, is there a big difference or in terms of performance or feel?
Well, on the palms themselves, your better gloves are going to have a better grade of leather and Chlorino, which is a synthetic. So it's going to be wearing better, it'll breathe better, it'll wick moisture better. Your lower end gloves will be a lot thinner, they'll tend to wear out obviously a little quicker. On the top side of things, you see a lot more nylon versus leather. And again, the nylon is just as durable, it's a little lighter, and you're seeing more guys move to a nylon glove.
Now I'm standing here with just the glove in my hand. What happens when you put the stick in your hands?
Well, it's a good idea. Obviously, gloves are very personal and it's all about feel. So it's a good idea to grab a stick off the shelf when you're trying gloves and just get a good feel, because right off the shelf, your glove should feel nice for you, even though it hasn't been broken in yet. That's a good way to determine which glove you like better.
Perfect. So I guess what we're looking for is obviously something that's comfortable, but again, offering the proper protection and the proper length. But again, it all comes down to feel and preference at the end of the day, right?
That's correct. And the only thing, if you're fitting a little person for a glove that's growing, make sure the glove's finishing on the forearm. You can also turn their hand over when you got the glove in. Make sure their fingers are almost at the end. You don't want a lot of space for a growing person. And again, it should kind of be proportionate with the body and use a stick.
Perfect. Once again, I'm with Dave Ridd from St. Albert Source for Sports, and that was what you're looking for when you're typically shopping for a hockey glove.